Hey everyone, it's Reclaimer with 2XP Gaming. We haven't done a video in about a year, and here's a box in front of us. What's inside? LED lights, Lutron Caseta switches, and a Lutron Smart Bridge. That's right, we're going to be doing an LED retrofit of my kitchen at some point, so we'll go over the products that are in here today and show you a little bit about them. Stay tuned. So you may be thinking to yourself, why are we even talking about lights on a gaming channel? Well, don't think into it too much. I just felt like doing the video. And again, we haven't had content out for a while, so why not? So what you're looking at here is just the equipment that I'm going to be using to retrofit my kitchen, which you can see pictured here, with LED lights. We have an old 1997 house, and I think the LED lights will be a nice welcome addition. So we had to get some things. First thing, just some cheap switch wall plates with no visible screws. Got a bunch of these for all the different things that we're going to need. Some Lutron Claro on-off switches for the non-dimmers. These are dumb switches. They're not smart switches. Got a couple of these for certain switches in the kitchen. Lutron Caseta wireless dimmer. I have 3 of these actually. I have this one in this box. The one that came with the starter kit, which I'll get to in a moment, and then I have another one in the Amazon box as well. So these are smart switches that will sync up using the Lutron app on your phone, or you don't even need the app if you don't want to. It's all going to be working off of this Lutron bridge, which comes in the Caseta wireless starter kit. So I already unboxed the kit just so I could take a look at what this is. It's a nice, small, discrete bridge with, it looks like a micro USB connection, Ethernet, and power as well. And those cables do come with it. So this is supposed to be hardwired to a router or to a switch. So just something that you need to realize. These are the lights that we're going to be putting in. We have 7 par can lights with floods in them in our kitchen. So we're going to be using the Hyperkeon, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, retrofit kit. This kit has 2700 Kelvin. It's a warm white color, which I think is going to look really good in the kitchen. And really all this is a retrofit kit, and I'll show you what it looks like when we unbox it. So I have actually 8 of these because I bought them in 4-packs, so I'm going to have one extra. But this is meant to fit a 5 or 6 inch diameter can opening. So again, I'll show you that in a moment. And then finally, we have the Caseta wireless starter kit. This is the dimmer starter kit with the bridge. So it comes with one dimmer, smart dimmer with a wall plate. It comes with the Pico remote and the smart bridge. And then, of course, you download the Lutron app if you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open up the starter kit to show you what comes inside. Then I'm going to open up one of these lights to show you what comes inside there, and then talk about the plan. Alright, so we've opened up the Caseta wireless dimmer starter kit. Obviously, I've already shown you the bridge, which does come with it. So we'll put that to the side. It comes with one Pico remote, which you can see here, nice and small and sleek. The one thing that I don't see in here, which I thought it had, but maybe I'm wrong on that, was the ability to put this into a wall box, which is something I'm going to need for the project. So when I'm all said and done doing my project, if I don't have an extra wall box that will fit one of these, I'm going to have to order one because this is going to control a 3-way or a 3-pole switch for some of the floods in the kitchen. So, but it does come with the Pico remote, a little bit of adhesive on the back here if you need it. Comes with the Caseta dimmer switch, so you can actually see this comes with the wall plate, the actual switch itself. You can see that there's an off and an on button, dimmer buttons, and dimmer indicators on here, and then it already has the wires connected. So you would think, okay, well, how do I retrofit a switch with this? Well, it comes with wire nuts, so we have those right here, and screws. So you should be good to go replacing any switch with this kit. And then there's some instructions, which we don't care about. And then it comes with a very short patch cable and your power adapter, which is a micro or mini USB. Can never remember those two, but it comes with all of that. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to hook up this bridge to your network. It is HomeKit capable, it's Alexa capable. She didn't hear that, luckily. And I think it's also, let's take a look at the box. It also works with Nest, so that's pretty cool. So you can, obviously, if you're familiar with Nest, HomeKit, or the Echo devices, you can kind of program scenes and have these set up whatever way you want. And obviously, one of the benefits of this is it allows you to control your lights remotely when you're not at home, which is kind of a nice feature for security and comfort and other things. So that is what comes in this kit. Next thing I'm going to do is just quickly show you the light. Okay, so here's the Hyper Icon, or Hyperion, I don't know how to pronounce it. Here is the retrofit kit. So first it comes with this Edison screw base here with a nice little plug, okay? And this is the fixture itself. So you can see that it has these nice springs in here, so you can go ahead and retrofit any of your recessed lighting cans with this LED light. So this is actually the light fixture. You don't screw in an LED bulb, you don't do anything like that. And again, this is warm white, so what it should do is give a nice, warm, welcoming feel to the kitchen. There is a gasket here to prevent any spacing issues, and then this is the other side of that two-prong plug. So what you're supposed to do is basically turn off your electric, take out your old light and your old recessed lighting can. You screw this into the receptacle there. You then put this into the space where the can used to go. This can be adjusted for 5 or 6 inch diameter. And these basically go up and fit in the old space that you have. And then you plug this in. And what this will do is basically give power to your light. You don't have to do anything with wiring or anything along those lines, which is really nice. For 4 of these, it was $40 on Amazon. So I got 8 of them, so 2 4-packs. It ran about $80. Maybe 75. I can't remember if I got a discount off of it, but that's that. So in regards to what's going to happen next, I'm currently in a boot because I sprained my ankle very bad a couple weeks ago. So I'm not going to be able to actually retrofit these myself just yet. If I get a little better, I would like to get this done before Thanksgiving. And what I'll do is I'll post a quick video on how I remove the old light, put in the new light, and how they look. And then for a follow-up video, I will show how the Caseta switches are installed and programmed. Unfortunately, again, because of what's going on with my mobility at the moment, I may not be able to actually show you this for a couple weeks, but it will come up on the video. I know I said that about the home networking project. That's still in the works. It's just taking a little bit of time. So that said, this is the equipment that I'm going to be using for my kitchen LED light retrofit with Caseta smart switches. So please stay tuned, and if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe so that way you're able to get notified when these videos go up. All right, thanks, and you have a good one.